Lindsay Ann. Today we are making a banana split that you can drink with a straw for breakfast with my banana split smoothie. I could probably eat banana splits every morning for breakfast if it was acceptable to eat ice cream every single morning. So I am so obsessed with this smoothie. And you don't even need any ice cream to make it because of my secret ingredient. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. This gorgeous layered treat is packed with fruit, Greek yogurt, and a little splash of my secret ingredients, a little sweet cream coffee creamer to give it that creamy, dreamy, sweet ice cream flavor. It's all finished off with your favorite toppings for the ultimate breakfast, dessert, or special occasion treat. Okay, so we start with the smoothie base that you're gonna use to create the 3 different layers for our smoothie. And as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So just go ahead and spread some hot fudge around the rim of some glasses, and then go ahead and add some sprinkles and chopped nuts right on top. Then you're gonna take some ripe bananas and peel them, slice them, and pop them in the freezer. And just make sure your bananas are nice and ripe before you peel, slice, and freeze them. That way your smoothie is nice and sweet and creamy. Then once they're ready, just go ahead and add those to a blender along with some vanilla Greek yogurt. And you can really use any kind of yogurt. I like to use Greek yogurt because it's a lot thicker and it adds a ton more protein than regular yogurt. And our sweet cream coffee creamer. And just blend that together until it's nice and thick and smooth. And the bananas are what's gonna give it that soft serve texture paired with the sweet cream creamer to give it that ice cream flavor. This literally tastes like a milkshake loaded with ice cream. Now we're gonna set aside about 3/4 of this mixture and divide it between 2 measuring cups. And we're gonna stir in some chocolate sauce into one of the cups to make our chocolate layer. And we're gonna leave the other one plain for our banana layer in the middle. Then we're gonna add some frozen strawberries to the remaining mixture and just blend that together, adding a little more creamer to thin it out if you need. And if you don't have frozen fruit, you can definitely use fresh fruit. Just go ahead and add in about a handful or 2 of ice cubes. That way you still get that nice frosty thick texture. Then pour your strawberry mixture between your prepared glasses, filling about 1/3 of the way full. Next, we're gonna layer our banana mixture right on top. And last, we add the chocolate mixture right on top. Now you can definitely serve this smoothie as is. You can top it with some fresh sliced strawberries or pineapples or bananas. But I wanna make this extra over the top extravagant, so I am adding all of my favorite sundae toppings to this thing. We're gonna do some whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles of course, some chopped nuts, and to finish it all off, on goes a cherry right on top. And I like to add these cute little yellow stripy straws to give it a little flair, and some fresh banana slices for garnish. Then just go ahead and serve these immediately and enjoy. Seriously, how much fun did this thing turn out? And if you guys love this recipe, you are gonna love my coffee and donuts milkshake or my hot fudge sundae layer cake. So be sure to check those videos out too. All right, the best part, let's give it a taste. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay Ann Bakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love this smoothie. Oh my gosh, it seriously tastes like a milkshake. It's smooth and creamy. It tastes just like a banana split. This thing is seriously so refreshing and sweet and creamy, dreamy, delicious. So there you have my banana split smoothie. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye guys. Alright guys, we're having banana splits for breakfast this week with this week's YouTube video. My banana split smoothie has layers of strawberry, banana, and chocolate smoothie layers that literally taste like a milkshake because of my secret ingredient. Check it out. And I just realized it looks all sad and pathetic because I just licked off all the whipped cream and toppings off the top of the smoothie because it's the best part. But you guys, it is so good.